Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I do got new thing to install on the Mini. This will be kind of like my first install video and what I think of it, but we have an NM full system exhaust from the downpipe back. I'll open it up, we'll look at it, and really need to clean out my garage so that I can park my Mini into there and jack it up. So, be right back. Alright, I got the Mini off the ground. Should have enough room under there. Here's the exhaust. So again, this is the downpipe back exhaust. Comes with hardware, gaskets. Let's take a look at these. This opening, goodness, compared to. Let me open this up and I'll set it next to the stock one. We'll see the difference. Okay, so I got it out. Yeah, really cool. I love the lettering right there. It's really nice, but look how bigger these pipes are. This exhaust tips are compared to those. But yeah, it looks pretty simple. Looks like we'll just have to take off these braces, undo the hangers, undo the downpipe at the front, and slap all this together. Alright, so I finally got it out. That was a little bit of a pain. Definitely pick up some WD-40 water-resistant silicone lubricant for these rubber hangers right here and right there. Once you loosen that clamp up there, you pretty much just remove this from the hangers and then just kind of falls right out. Make sure you have something, kind of got me in the face, but make sure you have I use a little plastic trash can to kind of catch it and rest on it while I pull one hanger out and then pull the other one out. Just made it a little bit easier. All right, now I'm gonna slide this exhaust out, assemble that one, and then should be good to go. Should be almost done. All right, that's it fully assembled. But yeah, let me throw this up underneath the vehicle and get everything buttoned up, and we'll see how it sounds. All right, so just a tip for anyone who's doing it. The spacers that come with the exhaust, looks like they are going to go into this back portion. So there's the end of the exhaust right there. And you need it to clear the gap because this does hang just a little bit lower than the stock muffler. The other one should just mount straight up. We'll get that on in just a second. That's pretty cool. You really, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's an NM logo right there. That's pretty cool. Yeah. And it bolted up really well. Very clean install. All right, let's
let's get it off this lift and see how it looks, or how it sounds, I guess. Just wanted to show kind of the in-cabin acoustics that happen with it. I'll probably do a pull, and then I'll get on the highway to kind of test the droning sound. This is just the GoPro's mic, so I don't have a mic on me or anything like that, so hope this is informative. Alright, let's turn on. That sounds so nice. It's such a deep sound compared to stock. And I will put, at the end of the video, I will put sound clips of stock and the Eng Exhaust with all the other mods that I've done to it, so there's a pretty good comparison of the two. But yeah, let's get around and see. There is at about 3,000 upwards RPMs, you do hear it quite more prominently. At the lower RPMs, it's still very subtle. The pops are pretty cool to hear. I honestly wasn't a big fan of the pops, but this is a little bit of them. Every now and then you'll get a real good pop, but it's nothing over the top. Super loud. I mean, it's probably loud outside, but in cabin it's not too bad. Like, I don't feel like I'm having to yell to talk. Let's get up to highway speeds real quick. Okay, this is highway speeds. I'm doing the speed limit, 70 miles an hour, right under 2K RPMs, and yeah, it's really not much different than before, you know, with the stock intake or the stock exhaust. It's not too bad. I will say, if you are doing this install and you've never done an exhaust install, be ready for the white smoke that is going to happen. It happens every single time. A lot of people seem to think that they did an install wrong or whatnot, which might be the case, but usually it'll go away after about a heat cycle kind of thing. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. So if you like the video, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, do all that jazz. If you have anything you want to see, please let me know, both with the Mini and with the Honda Monkey, which I will be doing some videos on the Honda Monkey here shortly. I do have some stuff planned, and it should be here tomorrow, I think, so it should be fine, but it'll just take a while to get everything working with the videos. But until then, I'll get y'all later. Bye.